You are safe. You are guided. God first. Love first. Rest now. Receive now. Become now. As this day comes to completion, I return to stillness. I release the noise. I release the pressure. I release the unfinished. I release the old self. I do not carry what God can hold. I breathe in peace. I breathe out control. I breathe in faith. I breathe out fear. I breathe in love. I breathe out the day. Tonight, my body restores. My mind clears. My heart softens. My spirit remembers. I am safe in God. I am held in love. I am guided by wisdom. I am strengthened by power. I surrender, I receive. God's love is alive in me. I rest, I heal, I rise renewed. The lion sleeps in sacred truth. I surrender, I become. The work is blessed, the day is done. Faith in my heart, peace in my breath. I rest in God. I rise refreshed. I am not behind. I am being guided. I am not alone. I am provided. I am not my fear. I am not my past. I am the soul that is built to last. The day is complete. The lessons are clear. Love remains and God is near. I forgive myself, I release all strain. Tonight I am restored. Tomorrow I rise again. I am safe. I am loved. I am guided. I am becoming. I am the lion heart creator. I am blessed and never stressed. I rest in God. I rise in power. Every cell in my body receives peace. Every breath reminds me I am not separate from God. Every heartbeat whispers, love is here. Every layer of my being remembers I was made for this. The subconscious mind now receives only truth. I am a conscious creator. I am a heart-driven leader. I am a spiritual warrior. I am a servant of God's love, wisdom, and power. My dreams are purified. My body is restored. My nervous system is renewed. My heart is healed. My mission is blessed. I sleep in faith. I surrender, I receive. God's love is alive in me. I rest, I heal, I rise renewed. The lion sleeps in sacred truth. I surrender, I become. The work is blessed, the day is done. Faith in my heart, peace in my breath. I rest in God. I rise refreshed. I release the lamb. I bless the old. I return to the lion, calm and bold. No fear can rule, no doubt can stay. The light within me shows the way. My worth is not earned, my life is a gift. As I surrender, my spirit lifts. The mission is sacred, but rest is too. God works through me as I am renewed. Tonight, I plant the truth deep within. God first, love first, truth first. I am free, I am loved, I am guided, I am protected, I am restored. My body is the vessel, my heart is the flame, my word is sacred. My mission is blessed. I do not collapse into powerlessness. That is the lie. Life matters, this day matters, this body matters, this vision matters, this mission matters. God has placed an idea within me. God has placed a vision within me. God works through this vessel and this life. I am blessed and never stressed. I sleep in peace. I heal in love. I rise in power. I surrender, I receive. God's love is alive in me. I rest, I heal, I rise renewed. The lion sleeps in sacred truth. I surrender, I become. The work is blessed, the day is done. Faith in my heart, peace in my breath. I rest in God. I rise refreshed. Rest now, receive now. You are safe, you are loved, you are guided. God first, love first. Lion over lamb. Tomorrow you rise, tomorrow you serve, tomorrow you create.